Designed to be similar to OE specifications, down to the connectors, for plug-and-play ease of installation. Complete assembly, includes OE comparable housing, glass mirror, bracket and technology. OE comparable mounting provisions ensure drop-in precise fitment. Rigorous and accelerated cycling tests to ensure product service quality and durability. All TYC mirrors have been designed and tested to meet FMVSS 111, the federal requirement for door mirrors. To provide optimal fit and performance for your specific vehicle, each TYC replacement mirror is identical in design and construction to the OE part it replaces. TYC replacement mirrors meet all Federal SAE regulations and are FMVSS 111 compliant. TYC mirrors are extensively tested against common issues affecting replacement mirrors, such as excessive glass vibration on rough roads, to ensue years of hassle-free service. Top reviews from the United States. Easiest mirror install ever. It literally took me 1 minute and 30 seconds to remove the old mirror and put the new mirror on. Love it. Great replacement if your OEM mirrors are broke. Look and feel identical and build quality seems solid.